I was doing for A&T Drumline. Stay in the fight. You have 2 automatic reboots. During the in-game reboots turned off. But you, well, let's see. Okay, it's supposed to be. What we got? This is gonna take more than just one map. One match to get what I need. Oh, and it's builds. I hate builds. I strongly hate builds. I don't play builds. Let's see if we can find this with no builds, you feel me? I don't even know how to build. Where you at? Oh, I see you, brother. Where you went to? Boom. Oh, I thought I was gonna take some fall damage. What the ops at? Oh, he on me. Got off on one. Oh. This is crazy. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, I'm getting my camp on right now. Yeah, I'm camping because, you know what I'm saying, I don't play no bills, bro. Oh, snipe, go, snipe, get you right. I'm finna get up out of here. Get up out of here, you know what I'm talking about? What the hell going on up in there? Oh, give me some more sprint, my boy. Sprint, my boy. I need. Oh yeah. Oh. What was shooting at me? Right here. I seen one I wanted. I wanted some smoke on them, but you know what I'm saying? Oh, okay. Oh, up. Okay, so what's wild about this is this reboot. Okay. I see you. Bro, come on. Sprint, get out of there. So you can't put that on while you sprinting, which is crazy. Whoa! I was about to go in. This is... Okay, so where did I die? 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 It's crazy, bro. Alright, so give me some good. What is this? Okay, and what's this? Okay, yeah. Where they at? Yeah, get jiggy. What? Alright, bro. One shot. Okay, no reboots remaining. I need my loot. I need to hit homie who hit me. Bro, what? Alright, dude. Alright, man. Not a fan of reboot. I haven't played that in so long. When I kill you, you should be dead. And I definitely don't like builds. Y'all know that. So let me return to lobby. Yeah. Not a fan of reboots. Not a fan of builds. I've been playing Blitz. So faster game pace or whatever, whatnot. Yeah, I got camping kills because I wasn't trying to really get out there and mix it up. That's more of a team game rather than a solo for me. But yeah, I have to figure out the map a little bit. I will be back later to play to check out a little bit more. But peace until then. Thank y'all for tuning in.